Introducing the wall-mounted Autopsy Station center position, a state-of-the-art solution designed to enhance efficiency and hygiene in forensic and medical examination facilities. Crafted from 304 stainless steel with the number 4 finish, this station ensures durability and ease of sanitation, meeting the highest standards of cleanliness. Equipped with hot and cold water fixtures featuring a convenient gooseneck faucet and wrist blade handles, it provides precise water control for various procedural needs. The integrated spray hose assembly, complete with a cold water control valve and a 10-foot flexible hose, offers extended reach for thorough cleaning and rinsing. Our Deluxe aspirator with a vacuum breaker includes a reverse flow feature, instantly relieving suction clogs by providing reverse water pressure, ensuring uninterrupted operation. The spacious single-compartment sink, complemented by perforated stainless steel removable grids, facilitates rapid and efficient drainage, maintaining a clean work environment. Safety is paramount, with waterproof duplex GFCI protected electrical outlets and a 1 horsepower heavy-duty commercial disposer, accommodating all operational requirements. Customize your station with optional equipment, including a post-mortem scale, instrument dissecting tray, dual exhaust ducts for ventilation, and an eye wash assembly, tailoring the setup to your specific needs. Designed with large radii on all inside corners and Heliarc welded seams, the station allows for easy cleaning and required sanitation, ensuring a hygienic workspace. Factory installed and tested plumbing and electrical lines enable single-point connections at your location, streamlining installation by trade professionals. Elevate your facility's capabilities with the wall-mounted Autopsy Station center position, where functionality meets superior craftsmanship. For pricing and customization options, contact Salam International today. For more information, visit our product page. Note: installation requires a trade professional. Units can be customized to your specifications with plumbing fixtures located in alternate positions as needed. Optional equipment and customization may affect pricing and availability. Ensure compliance with local regulations and standards when installing and using this equipment.